Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be recreating fancy gradients and we're going to be following UIAdrian. So I came across his page on Instagram and he gave us a few steps on how to create fancy gradients and we're just going to do that. I'm going to be showing how I was able to recreate this with very easy steps. Trust me guys, let's get started. Now UIAdrian is one of those people to follow on Instagram. You can also follow him on Twitter. He's very good with designs. I follow him everywhere. And I just came across this page on Instagram. I was like, you know what? I have to recreate this for you guys. So watch this and learn. So let's get started. So I brought all the steps he gave on Instagram to Figma so you can recreate side by side. So first things first, step one, add a frame. So F, desktop, he said 1440, so that's automatically desktop. Then he gave a color to follow, which I'm going to be following, 051215. Perfect. That's just step one. This is step one. Now this is for step one. Something I like to do is duplicate. So I'm just going to duplicate in case I need to go back. So while still clicking on the frame, press Alt and then drag. Step two, add linear fill and start adding a new point. Add fill, click on fill, gradient, and then stretch it out. Make it sideways. And then add another point here. It said start with 3 points first. So add another point. Then we have 3 points. And then you click on. Now he gave 3 points, and he also gave colors. So I'm going to show you how I was able to get the colors. Click on O, then draw a circle because it's 3 points, so we can get the colors that we need. Let me just show you a quick step on how I was able to get the colors. Okay, very quick step. When you draw the fill, you get them done, so you'll be able to get it. Then click on clicking on that, click on fill, and click on the what's this called? I think it's the drop tool or something. Then you go near there, the first place, you click on the color. It's gotten that as you can see, the color is there now. The second place, you click on fill again, click on the drop tool, the color. I think I'll go to the lighter part. I think medium, the color again. And then the second place, click on the color, click on the drop tool. Of course, just make sure the fill is at the center to get most of the colors. That's just my advice. So now the fill that there, I was able to get 3 of the colors as usual. And I'm going to put them in auto layouts, of course, Shift A. That I have them here now. Then I can then input their colors. So I'll start with the last one, which is this Control C. Clicking on it, go back to my desktop, click on the linear, the last point, which is here. Click on it, Control V. It's coming together now. Last point, Control C. You can write it out if you like. Control C. As you can see the points right here. Now this last point is the color of the background, so you can just leave it there. So as you can see now, we'll be able to get exactly what he featured for step 2. It's exactly what he featured for step 2. Now let's move on to step 3. For step 3, he said I also added 2 more points to blend it better. So I've gone ahead and added 2 more points as he suggested. Now you can do that. Just follow the way I just did it the last time and you'll be able to get that. Rewatch it very carefully. Control D for the circles to add another circles, and then of course click on your drop tool. So let's get started. Of course, clicking on fill. Click on the desktop, click on fill. Adding 2 more points. I'll add them here. Now add one here. I think that's it. And then for this one, I think for this middle one, Let me click on the color. Control Z. Ooh, okay, let's look at the color very well. Let me see. Okay, the purple is in the middle. I'm on the right part. And then for this color, I'll change it to it's a lighter blue. Yes, yes. And use the darker shade of this. You know what? Let me just use my pen tool for this. I think I didn't get the color right for this. So I'm going to use my pen tool to get it. Yeah. I'll be able to get it. Yes, exactly. I've gotten it now. So let's add it. Add it to this. Click on it. Control V. Exactly. I'll be able to get a look. This is what he reached, guys. Do you see how my step is coming together finally? So now it's time for step 4. For step 4, he said, move your grid point to one end. Reduce the space between your grid point as you move to the left or right. Now I'll just do exactly what he did here. So I'm going to move to right. So clicking on the fill, which is this. Let's move this out of the way and then just reduce it. Is what he meant by this. So not so much. Let me see. He didn't do much, right? He just reduced it a little bit, just like this. Exactly. This is what he meant by this. Of course, like I mentioned earlier, I'm always keeping a version of what I've done so that if I need to go back, I'll be able to go back. Is it only me or do you guys do that also? So for step 5, what did he say? He said, let's chug a logo at the top of our radius. I don't have a logo, so I'm lazy like that, so skip. Or should I add one? Okay, guys, I was able to bring a logo. Let's leave laziness. Let's go get. So I was able to get a logo using the pen, the drop tool to put the color, to chop the color on it. Ta-da! Now step 6. Step 6 said use a noise texture plugin by Roji to add more depth. I'm going to be showing you something. Now I'm going to be showing this plugin. Also going to be showing you how you can use Figma effects to get this noise gradient. So let's have 2 background. So for this background, we're going to be using the noise and texture plugin like he suggested. So let's try it out. Right click, plugins, noise and texture. Very recent. Noise and texture. We're just going to add to canvas. It has been added to canvas and he said 15%. It's right here. It's written right here before you say where I say it here. 15%. So 15%. This is how it looks like with the noise texture plugin. Now let's try Figma effects. So it's a new feature that added this year. So let's try. Let's click on effects. Click on the plus, click on it, you see noise, on noise, and this is this is black noise. For that texture, it was white, so let's use FF. Let's do what it did. And of course, 15%. Money. How is money like? Multi comes, is better. Let me see, oh my god. What is good? I like the color. Like I said, this is with the plugin and this is with Figma effects, so it depends on you. Anyone you like, anyone you feel like using, you can use it. I just found out a new feature and I felt like sharing it with you guys. Tell me what you think in the comments. Now for step 7, he said add a blurrer oval shape to break up the design. He added it somewhere here, so let's add an oval shape. An oval shape would be like this, right? Oval shape of what color? Let's go with this. Click on this. Anyway, let's put it in and let's move it like this. So where did he add it? I think he added it at the end. There and that is good. There and that is okay. Anyways, that depends on you. You can just try it works for you. So I'm just going to be using it. Let me just stretch it out so it doesn't look like there's a place. Now this oval shape is very optional, so you can choose to skip. Now for the final step, they said add a fill layer with soft light blend and change your fill color to see the magic happen. Now we're going to be adding a layer. Let's add a layer. Let's add. Now we're going to be drawing chaos color. We're going to be trying black, blue, and purple. So first of all, it will be black, which is 00. And let's put that 100. As you can see, it's all gone. So click on fill. Click on this blend mode and then put it on soft light, right? Set soft light. This is what you get. Now this is black on soft light. Look at this. Now let's try blue for the color, right? So we're going to be trying blue. I'm going to be trying the blue he tried. So let's just go there and click on it. Now this sample doesn't give the exact color, just at least to show. So now the color is a given. This is blue on it. Now, of course, this is blue with soft light. This overlay, this is soft light. This is blue with soft light. And let's try purple. I think that's all. So let's put our text. It said fintech. So let's follow what he said. I've been able to, now I've added the colors and the text, and it looks so nice, guys. It looks so nice. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe and watch my other videos. Thank you, UIAdrian. I think I'm going to be following this mode when creating ingredients. So now we have come to the end of our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Before that, let's go and let's go and follow Adrian on Instagram, because why not? And don't forget to follow him too. Follow him on Twitter. Everywhere you see him, he's so good at this stuff. So bye guys, until next time.